nag-book ako agad. Pag after talaga, pag-ising ko pa lang, kinabukasan, after the coronation, nag-book ako agad to Thailand. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you there, guys. Kasi si Ate Emma, lagi ko rin sinasabi, pero hindi ko pa nasabi sa'yo directly. I think this is the perfect time. She's one of the reasons why I joined pageantry. Because way back 2019, yung team ko, like sabi nila, ang ganda nung nanalo sa binibini na si yung Emma. Like, medyo kawig-kawig kayo nung before, no? Sorry, medyo makapal yung mukha ko and ng team ko. Pero yun yung sabi nila. So sabi ko, effect pala yung ganitong beauty sa pageantry. So, mag-join na ako. And then I decided to join Miss Grand. And I'm so happy na nandun si Ate Emma. Kahit hindi pa kami nakikita ever since pagkakita ko sa kanya first time, Ate Emma, hello! Nandito ka na pala! Sini-close ako agad. Kasi ganun yung binibigay na energy ni Ate Emma. She's very friendly, very positive yung vibes niya. And she speaks Grand. And I believe magbaback-to-back tayo sa Miss Grand. Yes! Hopefully ate. Pero I'm sure confident ako dyan. Kaya naman, nag-book talaga ako para alam mo yun, makita ko siya live. So, ayun Ate Emma, my message is keep on shining. Kasi you're very extra and alam niyo naman sa Miss Grand, kailangan extra tayo. So, si Ate Emma talaga, she speaks Grand. Talagang pagka-step niya pa lang, Grand yan. Kaya naman, alam ko na winner yan si Ate Emma. I love you, Ate, and I hope to see you sa Miss Grand stage na kumikinan, lumilinglo. I mean, ngayon pa lang, di ba? Shining, bright, bright. Thank you, Ate Emma, for inspiring all